everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I am doing a thrift haul slash Five Below haul just because I kind of just wanted to mash everything together, so I thought it'd be easier. So here we go. Start with the thrift store first. So the first thing I got was I found this little notebook. It is literally just a notebook, and it has a bunch of S's on it, and I thought, my name begins with an S, so why not? So, you know, super exciting stuff here. Okay, the next thing I found was this cute little Hello Kitty hat. It is too small for me, but I might be able to use it in some sort of project at some point, and I just thought it was really cute, so I got that. Next bunch of stuff I got was clothing, just because I have been searching for some plain t-shirts that I could use to customize. So I got a bunch of t-shirts here. I have two black ones. I have a nice pink one. I really like this purple color. And then this is like a light gray. I got a bunch of t-shirts to hopefully use in upcoming projects at some point. I then just got a plain black tank top because I figured at some point I would need it for just like undergarments for like costumes and stuff. The next thing that I got that I found, and I couldn't believe I found, it was so cool. I found a My Hero shirt. I thought that was so neat, so I had to grab it. I had to pick it up because that, like, finding anime stuff at a thrift store is just so cool, and you really feel like, you know, you found like this awesome piece of treasure, because I feel it's very rare to find anime stuff at a thrift store. Plus, typically like anime t-shirts like that are at Hot Topic for like $25 to $30, and that was like $5. So like that was super awesome. The last thing I got at the thrift store, oh, second to last thing I got at the thrift store. So the last thing I got was this really thin, like, it's got a snowman on it, and then there's like some kids hanging around the snowman, but I'm sorry, but this blanket is for a project, so it will be getting cut up. So yes, this blanket will be getting cut up. I'm sorry. I'm going to use the snow pattern at some point. I think I'll probably make a video about that, we'll see, but it will basically be used for fabric, so I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. The last thing I got at the thrift store, because I know I'm eventually gonna need it, is wrapping paper. I found these 4 rolls of wrapping paper, and apparently they were like $10, but I got them for like $4, so that was awesome because the holidays are coming. I know I'm gonna need it. Okay, now moving on to the Five Below portion. I got 2 of these like these bracelets with like these crystals on them, because I figured they would be really nice for like craft supplies. They were $1 each. I next got this makeup crayon. It's Wet n Wild. It's called a multi-stick, and this is the shade Royal Scam, but it's just like this makeup stick. I bought a couple of these to use for my Halloween costume, and I really liked them, so I figured I would get some more in some colors that I would need for when I do cosplays eventually, and this is one of the colors that I would need. The other 2 colors they didn't have, so I was like, whatever, I'll get this one. Okay, so the next thing, I got a tree skirt. It's super soft, and this is also kind of gonna be used as fabric along with the blanket, so they're kind of gonna go together, but I did get a tree skirt, and it is really soft. All right, and the last thing I got, well, I mean, I did get a couple other things, but it was candy, and that's kind of already gone. So anyway, for the last thing, I just got this Hello Kitty coloring book because I thought it was really cute, and I love how simple and easy like these Hello Kitty coloring books are. Oh, it also looks like there's activities and stuff, but I just love the very simple images to color in, and I personally just love that. It'll be a fun thing to do when I'm bored. That pretty much wraps it up. I am gonna get going. Sorry if this feels like a little bit of a mess. I'm gonna get going. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all had a great day. Or maybe your day's just starting. Hopefully you will have a great day. So I will see all of you later. Please like and subscribe if you want to. Please take care of yourself. Drink plenty of food. Drink plenty of food. Oh, maybe I do need a nap. Drink plenty of water. Eat plenty of food. And I will see you all later. Bye.